we go. We're doing this with Bruce today. We made a nice mahogany bowl today. We're gonna put a little Mahoney's oil in there. Bruce is gonna rub that in with his fingers. So we just spent a couple hours doing it. Hey Bruce, what you think of that experience?
It was great, Bob.
Had a lot of fun, right?
Had a lot of fun. Have a lot more confidence to be able to do it myself.
That's right. The reason I like the Sapelli is you get these beautiful ribbons in there.
Oh, look at that.
Sapelli mahogany is easy to turn, as we saw. It's easy to sand. It sands really well. How about that design on the bottom? Let's see the design on the bottom. Let's put some oil, but yeah, use a lot more oil. Be generous with that. So Bruce has been in the New Jersey wood turners for about a year or so. He's been making a lot of tops, but now he's making. He wanted to get into bowl turning for making presents for his family. Great pastime, huh, Bruce?
It was great. Had a great time.
Yeah.
Learned a lot.
Yep.
Like I said, it gives you the confidence to be able to do it on your own.
Yeah, we even made a nice little bead on this one. Take a look at that bead. So, yeah, thanks for coming in. Welcome back anytime, Bruce.
Thanks, Bob. Enjoyed it.
Yep, all
Had a
right.
great time.
Thank you. Talk to you later.
Take care.
Bye.